Hi guys, today we'll talk about uh, how can you edit your avatar or add your avatar on your Roblox app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on more down here, just click on it. When you click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on profile. When you click on profile, it's going to show for you a list like this. You scrolling down until you will find here edit profile, click on it. So then you click here on this sign here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select your characters and clothes and add-on series here, and here's animations here. So here can you add it in this list here to edit your profile. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.